Now, in the previous video, we looked at how to prime factorize numbers. Now, today we are going to look at how to find LCM and GCF using prime factorization. Now, you can have an example. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. A multiple is a number obtained by multiplying and counting numbers. Then GCF, F means a factor. A factor is a number that divides another number without getting a remainder. Now here they want a multiple which is common and it is the lowest. Here they want a factor which is common and it is the greatest. So we are going to use prime factors. Find the LCM and GCF of 3 and 5. Find the LCM and GCF of 3 and 5. So we shall first prime factorize these numbers. This one is we are going to use what we call the ladder method. So in the previous lesson, I explained to you how to use ladder method and the factor tree. If you didn't watch that video, first complete this one and you will go back after this video. Now, ladder method, we put them together. So we draw a ladder, put our factors 3 and 5. So we start dividing. We said we use prime factors. The first prime factor is 2, but you can't divide 2 with odd numbers, so we continue with 3. 3 divided by 5, if the number is not divisible, you just write it as it is, then you continue. This one is 1. You continue. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and here 1. So it means the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple, we multiply all the numbers that have divided here. This is 3 times 5. 3 times 5, which is 15. Now, the GCF using prime factors is obtained by getting the common factors which are divided here and here without getting a remainder. But in this case, we don't have. So it means it is 1. Now, in the second example, we are going to use 12 and 18. Now, 12 and 18, we draw our ladder. This is 12, this is 18. So divide by 2 is 6. Divide by 2 is 9. Divide by 2 is 3. By 2 is 9, because you can't divide 9 by 2. So we continue by 3 once, by 3, 3. By 3 once, by 3 once. Now here, the LCM, we are going to multiply all of these numbers. So this is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. Is the lowest common multiple. Now the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor here, we are going to look for common numbers that have divided here and here without getting a remainder. A 2 has divided 12 to get 6 and 18 to get 9. So this one is going. This 2 has divided here but not here. 3 has divided here and here, so even 3 So it means we are going to multiply these numbers. So this is 2 times 3, and our GCF is 6.